Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up, because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session, you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Give me some fives. Fives in the chat. We're good on sound. Excellent. Appreciate it. What's up, Jazzy J? We got George, Sharif, Brian, Carl. Hey, Cindy. What's up, Amy? Good morning. Good morning. Let me know on YouTube. We got a couple people watching there. Let me know you guys can hear me on YouTube as well. Alrighty, this is our last session of the week. It's Thursday. We got a holiday tomorrow. We got some 8:30 news. We were in alignment for buys off that news. Came back retesting 900. It's at 920, 933 right now. So filled the imbalance, touched the high. Structure looks good. It looks like we might be putting in a higher high here. News wise for the rest of the day, we do have a old yellow folder at 9:45 and a red folder at 10 a.m. George said he's not using stop losses today. All right. We already hit our daily targets for the day. So the only thing I can do now is just pay attention to our higher level quarter levels. So I'm going to assume 23,000 is probably going to get hit today. If we stay bullish, could get up to 23,050. So that's how we're going to play that. Just looking at these majors. Market's going to open up here in a minute, and we're first up would be 950. 934 was the all-time high. We hit that, so that's done. And we took out 915. We also took out yesterday's high as well. So we are cruising top side. Let me see if I can find. I think Steph's joining us today at some point. What's up, Paula? I'm not sure if people on YouTube can hear me or not. Nobody's talking in the chat, so hopefully sound is good there. From an extension perspective, 236,977 should get hit for sure. All right, market's open right now. What is this? All right. All right, we stay above 950 for the next 2 minutes. We'll be looking at 950 for a buy. Appreciate you, Ken. What's up, Jay Silver? Hold on 1 second. Well, 23,000 is definitely within reach here. I saw some of you guys talking about 900 in the chat. Not sure if you actually got in there, but if you did, you hit TP on that. All right, we are gonna be 950. We still got 40 seconds left in this candle, but I'm gonna go ahead and set it up unless it starts coming back crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set that up. 950 for the buy.
Yes, buddy.
That much steak.
You need more? How big of a piece do you need? That good? There you go. We're responding out of this imbalance here. Bullish engulfing here on the one, getting above 975. And bullish engulfing didn't continue, so let's see if it still wants to reach down further. The 3-minute candle just opened up. Nice and balanced, sitting at 950. All right, we're within reach here. 5 points. Looking for a 950 buy. I'm in.
Good morning.
Hey, Steph.
Hey, sorry I'm late.
All good. You're right on
Just
time.
in time.
Right.
I'm in.
You're right on time. All right, we completely filled the imbalance on the 930 candle. At the previous all-time high. Respond up from here.
Tap that and go. It's a nice bounce on NFP this morning.
Yeah, it took out all the daily targets, all the highs. See if she can get up to 23,000. Had a little bit of a sale transition at the top, but right back into this order block. So holding at the J4. Need a bullish engulfing. We have news, yellow folder, but news in 3 minutes. PMI, and then we have red folder at 10 o'clock. Just trying to give a bullish engulfing. It did. Continuation.
Just filling all these imbalances.
Get back above 950. All right, we got 25 seconds and we got yellow folder news. All right, we got yellow folder now. Got to get through this area here. We're at the top of this sale spot. New 15-minute candle just opened up as well.
Perfectly touched the midline of that last bullish candle at the top.
Mm-hmm.
Like a perfect touch.
Yeah. Needed just to be another retest off 950. Because if it tries to go lower low here, that's going to sweep us out of here. That's a good retest. Bullish engulfing off this one. What's up, Christine? How's it going in Mexico?
I saw some of your pictures. The food looked great.
Good bullish engulfing here. The meeting with the cartel. Get through there. Come on. We're 2 points away from BE.
There we go. We're above the midline.
There we go. There's my little BE bail.
What I like is that on both the 3 and the 1 minute, it never closed and went below that big push. It stayed within that big candle.
Yep.
On both time frames.
Mm-hmm. The opening bell push?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that is the opening bell.
Yeah. TP25, nice. I'm at break even right now, family. I think once we clear these highs, I'll lock in 10. Once you get above 986. Right now, we're coming off of 975. And we're about to be in the bottom of the hour. Are you just gonna take this to 23,000?
I am. That's a big round number. I think we'll see a push back off of it.
I went BE on the just touch. It didn't close. I went BE on the touch.
I also missed the TP the other day when I hopped off, so I'm still looking for one this week, so I'm taking it.
Yeah. I keep getting these pop-ups. Or at least, I think it's just on my top step one now. Top one's not giving a pop-up.
Yeah, I just got one too. The PMI factory orders.
Yeah, I've never seen it before. We're in the bottom of the hour now. Nice response off this imbalance here at 947. Can we get above 975?
Are we having an update on rates today? It says watch for volatility in indices and rate sensitive instruments. US dollar, ES, and Q.
I think they're just doing the PMI.
Yeah, factory orders, PMI. Interesting.
Yeah. What's the reasoning for going break even, or what's the reasoning for? I'm trying to understand what you're asking. What the reasoning is, Jay Silver. Strong resistance here at 975. We got to break through.
We are back up in uncharted territory.
There we go. Go ahead and push through there. I'm kind of feeling I might regret this, but I'm locking in 25 here, and I'm moving my TP up. Let's just see if the news pushes through here. $25 might be too much. Should be good. Let's just see how high she wants to fly.
You just never know at this point. There's no way to know at this point.
So so touch versus candle close, Jay Silver, when I was trading the 1 minute specifically, I was waiting for it to close above 970, like the 25 point mark. But when I went to the 3 minute, it was just too much time. So I didn't want to see it come back from there. So I just started taking it on the touch. You could do either one. The thinking behind it is, especially at that time, I think I was probably trading a little bit more on Apex too. So the trailing drawdown aspect of things matters as well. So having this come all the way back down to 0 for some people, depending on their account type, could be, could be a 250 point loss. Or if you still got risk on the table and it goes all the way up here and it comes all the way back down, that's a $500 loss. Although you only lost 250 on the trade, depending on what you're risking. All right, you only might have lost what you were risking on the trade, but it's actually a double risk loss because you let it go from 25 points all the way back down to minus 25. So it's just a risk management protection thing. People do different things. I know there's been experiments on both sides of just waiting for it to close and then retest. I mean, waiting for it to close and then go and break even, touch and break even. Or you can be like George and just don't have a stop loss at all, and that will work out sometimes too. So, just kidding. George does have a stop loss. I'm just kidding.
I like that these wicks are holding here for now.
I really like this, and I got about. I moved it down just a little bit, like 17 points locked in here. I am really, really wanting 10 a.m. news to just come in and blast off.
I'm locked at 13 points in. I'm right below
that wick. Oh no, that's 10 points. Which one?
No, I've got that one candle marked up with a gone box that the last high.
Oh, you're below this.
Yeah,
wick?
right there.
Okay, gotcha.
Yep, right there. So I'm sitting right below that.
Nice.
And I did move my TP up to another 25 points just to watch what happens.
Yeah. We're about to hit the 50.
Just touched.
Did it touch? Okay.
Yep.
All right, perfect. There's TP 50 for those. Come on, blast off for us. I got mine at 23 50, but I'm gonna start trailing hard as soon as this news comes out, which we have a whole nother 5 minutes. TP's in the chat. We are at 23,000. Whole number here. We did the fib extension from here to here. We took the 50% level.
The volume's looking really good for a push too.
It is.
I'm not moving my TP any further though, because it always seems to jinx me.
You got it at 25?
I do. We're above the HDH on all time frames, including the 15 if it holds.
Look at that 15.
I like that.
Look at that 15-minute candle. I'm telling you, there's something.
I know.
There's something there.
Should see my notebook from yesterday going back. I just hand wrote everything as I was looking at it.
Well, we don't want it. We don't want it coming back to 960. So sorry, Ken. Hopefully we're leaving you at the dust. You can take that after we've hit at least 23.25. We got a minute and a half here.
I didn't know you were still taking the J4, Ken. Good though.
I'm just putting a bearish engulfing here on the one. This is the last minute, 9:59.
Yeah, I see what you're looking at, Ken. It's coming up right into a nice structure point. It'd have to push through a lot to get down to it, but it's coming up in there really nice.
Up, up, up,
There we go.
Up, 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 up. All right, I'm locking in 25 right now.
I actually locked 40 in. I'm trailing it a little bit closer.
Following suit now. Got 40 locked in. I'm just gonna go ahead and lock in the 50.
I'm gonna stay 5 under. Kind of gone back to doing that a little bit more. I moved my TP up again too.
There we
After
go.
that big push.
Yeah, I got mine at 50. I'm locking in some more here. We just hit 75 points.
Dustin, as it was coming back and not pushing through, I was thinking should have taken my TP. So
You don't need to come back. Just keep going. I might be a little aggressive on this. I have my stop loss at I have my 5 points above 23,000. I got 55 points locked in on this one right now. Come on, go close above there. There we go. Keep pushing. TP 75 is hit.
nice, Cindy. You held to 75.
I am going to lock in at 67 points here.
You're right under that wick on the 1 minute.
Yep.
Yep.
I'm asking to be taken out with that, but it's a good push. Hopefully it doesn't come all the way back there. Get one more push all the way to 23,050. It's coming for me. Hold on at 25. Hold on at 25. Bullish engulfing here. Come on, get above those wicks. Keep going, don't resist. Nice.
There we go.
All right, I'm locking in 75, and that's good for me right there. On top step, on top one, I'm definitely closing this at 50, but on top step, I have moved my TP up another 25 points.
I actually had just done the same. Top step trailing all the way.
Yeah, I'm trailing on top step. I got 75 locked in. I'm not gonna move my TP anymore on that on top step. I'm not gonna move my stop loss anymore. I'm just gonna let it run. If it gets all the way up to, I mean,
Where'd you put it?
right now it's at I have mine at 75, 23,075. Right here.
Okay, that's where mine's at too.
Yeah, just one more level up. Just right there. But I have my stop losses right here. 75 locked in. I'm not gonna move it anymore.
Yeah, my plan on TopOne is max 100 points when it comes to trailing. Otherwise, you're just running into all the, what do they call it, consistency or
Yeah.
whatever their calculations are.
Yeah. Yeah.
It seems like they're called different things on different types of accounts.
Yeah. So that will close right here at 50. I have 75 points locked in on that one as well, but got back in just under 23,000 and took 50. Nice.
Nice. Yeah, I think I saw you got somehow accidentally got out at BE.
Oh, I just noticed I had that same alert on oh wait, this is a different alert. On TopOne, I just got an alert about the holiday trading alert. I guess they're doing this now. Giving more alerts. Come on. Oh, it didn't get all over there.
Nope. Missed it by a quarter.
I close TopOne here in a second. Come on, push up. I'm moving my stop loss to 40 on TopOne just to lock in the 90 points. Doesn't give me that last 2 points. That'd be crazy.
Push it. Push it. It's so close.
So close.
There we go.
Yep.
That just took mine out.
Yep. Good to go there. All right. Perfect. Good day. I'm still holding top step. See if we can get up another 25 points on this one.
So what are you guys doing for the fourth weekend?
I'm golfing tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. and then we're heading up north to the lake house.
Nice.
We got a new baby, not our baby, but we got a new baby in the family. Was born early.
That's exciting.
Yeah, he was born early, so he was born at 32 weeks, I think. Oof. So he's at the University of Michigan. But he's improving well. They were worried about his trachea.
Yeah.
But he's improving well. They took him off the breathing tube. He's stuck on the pacifier on his own, so that's good.
Awesome.
So and then we got family in town from Atlanta who are going to be up there as well. So yeah, we're just going to be on the lake on the boat, do some fishing.
Awesome.
I don't think the baby's going to be able to come home, but yeah. Barbecue.
That sounds fun.
Eat good,
All of our plans totally fell apart.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we had family from the cities who was going to be here visiting, and they had something come up, so they're not coming. And then we miscommunicated with some family that lives on Vancouver Island. They originally told us they were going to be here this weekend, and it ended up being last weekend. So we had to make some last minute shifts to see them. So out of the blue, we have 3 full days with no plans. So I'm not sure what we're going to do. It's pretty rare. We'll probably go swimming. My uncle's got a pretty sweet pool and almost resort style setup up at his house out in the country. So we hang out there a lot in the summer. So we'll probably go up there for a little bit. I think my brother's like smoking. I don't know if he's on YouTube this morning. I think he's like smoking some meat or something for up there. I'm gonna have to sneak some of it.
Nice. I'm laughing at George asking me if I'm hitting off the senior tees. Your brother just said pulled pork.
Yeah, it's so good.
So
that's funny. So George, I golfed in high school and college, and obviously there's, red tees, which are the women's tees, and we couldn't use them in college, and now I refuse to touch them. I just can't go back to them.
He said he's also got bacon curing for camping next weekend.
Ooh, nice. Yeah, we're camping. We're doing our family trip next weekend. Instead of Christmas gifts, our parents take us. We've done Great Wolf in the past. This year we're camping there's a National Guard, I think it's National Guard base, Fort McCoy up here in Wisconsin, and they have a campground as well, which is really nice because you can rent RVs on sites. So,
hey, are you moving your TP up again?
I'm thinking about it. It's top step. There's no harm, no foul on this side.
Literally. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. So you're camping next weekend?
No, you're good. Yeah, we're camping next weekend. No, not the far back tees. I usually just take the second set.
Back tees for me, yeah. I do the back tees.
So I have a funny story golf related. So I think I told you guys Aubrey, my oldest, started golfing this year, which is super exciting. They've got a kids program. Her first day out there, this is some on us. We did not take the time to be like, here's the putter, here's this, and explain the clubs. Well, I guess she grabbed the wrong one on the green and made a divot.
Oh my gosh.
On the putting green. And she came home telling us about it, and that's just what felt so terrible. And it really wasn't that big. Our friend is the greenskeeper, and he's like, it was nothing compared to what kids typically do. And she was so afraid she would never be able to golf again because she ruined the golf course. And she was so upset over it. And I'm like, oh man, you should see the holes that I've put in the course.
It's a pretty big candle coming back down there. We're testing off of 50.
Yeah, it never touched on that slow climb either.
New 15-minute candle just opened up. Where's your stop loss? Do you have it at 25 or 20?
I'm at, where am I? Oh, I moved it up quite a bit. I moved it up to 23.40.
Oh, you're up there. You're locking it in.
I am. I'd rather have it locked in this week than then lose it. So if it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, I'll just be done. But we're due for a pullback.
We are.
There's a lot of imbalances in here.
We are. I got mine at 25, and I am going to... I'm going to move my TP up just one more level. And then I'm going to say goodbye, and we're going to let this cook, and I'm not going to sit here and watch it. 75 points locked in, 100 points on TopOne. So good day to end out the week. We are not trading tomorrow. It is a holiday. Next day is going to be... We'll do a TBD on Monday. We really don't have any news. This is an all-day folder thing. Tuesday we really don't have any news either, but what I'll probably do is I'll check to see how the market looks. If it looks good enough, we'll maybe do a session. So we'll say TBD on Monday, but yes to Tuesday. Wednesday we don't have a session, so we're actually not going to be live that much next week. Possibly Monday. We'll say yes to Tuesday, no on Wednesday, yes to Thursday, and there's really nothing going on Friday either.
Kind of a dull week.
Kind of a dull week, yeah.
I just got taken out.
All right, well, hopefully that's the lowest it wants to go. We start pulling up from here. So enjoy your long weekend. We will message about Monday. If we're going to do Monday, I'll let you guys know at some point Monday, more than likely, because I'm going to look at the market. If we're in alignment or if we're looking good, if it's looking healthy, we'll hop on it. We'll do something. If not, we'll definitely have a session on Tuesday. Okay.
Sounds good.
Yes. Sorry. Thanks, George. I just got the message. You guys should have your accounts. J Silver, you should have your account. George, you should have yours. And Claire, if you are on here, you should have yours as well. So yeah, I will see you guys possibly on Monday, for sure on Tuesday. Thank you, Steph, for hopping on as always.
Yep. Thanks. You guys have a great weekend.
Have an amazing weekend. Happy 4th to all you guys. Stay safe. Watch out for the fireworks. Enjoy whatever it is you're going to do. Yes, great weekend to all. You're welcome. 75 for the week. Love it. Post it in the Telegram channel. I will see you guys on possibly Monday, definitely Tuesday, but definitely next week. I'll see you guys then. Have a good weekend.